to create your triptychs. So if you go and you create a new file in Photoshop, you're going to choose default Photoshop size, which is 7 by 5 inches. Okay, so you're going to click that, and you can choose which way you want this. If you want it landscape, then it's 7 by 5. If you want it portrait, which is horizontal or vertical, excuse me, you can go 5 by 7. Okay, so we're going to do 7 by 5 and create. All right, and now that we have our screen, first thing we want to do is create our rectangles, our frames. All right, and remember it's a triptych, so it's 3. So if I grab my rectangle tool down here at the bottom and I drag out a rectangle, whatever size I decide I want it to make. So let's go here. And then to make sure that all 3 of the rectangles are the same size, what you can do is you can hold Alt and then drag off. Sorry, hold on. Hold Alt after you've selected your rectangle, and you'll see that your cursor turns into 2 little triangles instead of 1, and you drag off while holding Alt, and it creates your copies. Okay? I can select all 3 and just make sure that they're center aligned. Okay. And then now I have my rectangles. So if I bring in my 3 photos, so these are just 3 images from Basketball Media Day. Okay. I have 3 images that I can turn off, and then I have my 3 rectangles. You need to choose, so whichever rectangle, so let's say I want this photo to go on this rectangle. So if I click this rectangle, I can see in my layer panel, it's rectangle 1. That means the photo that I want to clip, which is this one, needs to be layered directly above rectangle 1 in my layer panel, okay, directly above it. And then it's Control Alt G to clip it in, and now it clips into my box. All right, again, so now I do my second one. I want this one to go onto the middle one, right? So I need to move it so that it's directly on top of the middle one. And the shortcut is Control Alt G, but you can right click and then hit Create Clipping Mask as well, and it clips, right? And then you can resize as you need to, but it's going to stay inside the box. Now the last one, it is already directly on top. Okay, Control Alt G, and then resize it. And that's how you make your triptych. Okay. And then when you're done and you're ready to save it, you can go File, Export, Quick Export as a PNG, and then just name it and hit save, and then do your second one. All right.